3, 2, 1. Oh, shut the door. YouTube, what's good, man? It's your boy 5.0 Vic, bro. Today we're gonna do another POV, man. Little day in the life of a Mustang owner. So yeah, y'all sit back and relax. Let me get y'all a little cold start real quick. Hey man, what's everybody been up to, man? I know it's the holidays. Everybody, what y'all got planned, man? I know I ain't posting in a little minute, but we back now, man. I need some gas. 31 miles to eat. See, we might stop at that gas station over here to the right. I would get caught by the red light. See how long it take. But yeah, man, I gotta get more consistent on here, man. I just been so busy with life. Life been lifing, man. I'm trying my best to upload. Yeah. March coming soon to the car though. I also gonna start working on my 3-valve. I got 2010 Mustang GT 3-valve, 4.6. It needs to be revived, man. I plan on getting it towed to the shop sometime either this week or next week. The dude at the shop said he'll look at it for me, tell me the exact problem. They go to that gas station right here. Yes, sir. 87 is 289. 89 is 365. 93 is 425. Hey, man, what gas do y'all put in y'all car? I can use 87 because I don't have a 93 tune, but I still choose to use 93. It's better overall for your engine anyway. Pump is good 93, man. How much I think it's gonna take to fill up? I had 31 miles to eat. I got me a cut the other day too, Saturday. Show y'all, man, my boy. Y'all thought y'all was gonna see my cut when it's not fresh anymore. Man, check the net scene out. All right, y'all, that took like $50 to fill up, and I got 237 miles to eat. What y'all think about that? It's my exhausting track. Yep, all right. Traffic. That don't sound good. Man, we just got to Walmart. I got a little last minute shopping to do. I also got to get something to clean my carpet in my car. I spilled something up under the passenger side seat. So, man, y'all let me know in the comments what y'all clean y'all carpet with. All right, y'all. Here goes some carpet and upholstery cleaner. Armor All, OxyClean. What else? McGuire's. Turtle Wax. I don't know which one to get. Some of these brushes hard, man. I'm scared to put on my carpet. This brush kind of hard. Nah, this brush is hard. Yeah. Oh, because it's for heavy duty carpet and floor mat cleaner. Like, yeah, it can be used on carpet too. It's just kind of hard. Oh, this one even harder. Interior foam. I ain't trying to tear my carpet up. I do not like Armor All products, but it's the softest brush. They ain't got a lot to choose from. Oh, these different interior upholstery. What's the difference? So I ended up going with the Armor All just because it had the softest brush. I'm not trying to tear my carpet up. And I think I'm gonna pick this up a little. Auto fogger. Had anyone ever used it before? New car scent. I'm gonna try it out. All right, y'all. So as I was saying, I ended up getting this because the brush was the softest out of the choices in the store. And the liquid that fell up under here is kind of way up under there. So I'm gonna have to take the seat out to make sure I get it up clean, as clean as possible. Well, actually, I forgot these seats. They can go up. So I got room to look up under here with the carpet cleaner. I got a lot of space, and it fell like right in the front. You can't tell right now because it is all dried up, but it got a smell to it, and I gotta get rid of it. All right, let's get to it. Let's read these instructions. Shake well, spray directly on the surface. Allow the foam to collapse and penetrate the surface. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. All right, let's see. It's gonna be hard to hold this camera and do this. All right, it said we gotta let it sit there for a few minutes. All right, so it seems to have penetrated. Let's see. I'm gonna wash it with scrub it with the brush. I'm scrub it real lightly. I don't want it to snag on the rug. You know what I mean? should be good enough. Next instructions are to wipe it clean with a damp cloth. Hey man, I'm done with the scrubbing the carpet, bro. I ain't gonna lie. My shoulder hurt so bad from trying to hold the camera and scrub the carpet at the same time, but we got it out of the way. The smell is completely gone out of the car. So now, remember I picked this up, so we about to see how this works. The little fogger, auto fogger. Let's see. Directions, man. Vehicle should be unoccupied. No person, pets, or plants. For best results, remove any sources of unwanted odors. Park the car outside in a cool, shaded location. Start the car and set air conditioner on high fan. The air conditioner, man, it's already 46 degrees out here. Can y'all see that? And I gotta turn the AC on. Turn on the interior recirculation feature and close the window. Activate the fogger can with the nozzle facing away from you. Set it on the center console or similar flat surface in the center of the vehicle and close the door. Leave the car door closed for 15 minutes with AC on to recirculate. Man. So I don't know how long it's gonna take for it to completely disperse, but I gotta leave the car door shut for 15 minutes with the AC on. When I get back in the car, it's gonna be so cold. Man, all right, let's see. Man, it look like a grenade, bro. All right, so I'm gonna set it right here and release it. I ain't worried about this car. I'm done drinking this car. Ain't nothing in here. So it'll get on it. It don't matter. All right. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Turn the AC on. Recirculation. All right. Let's see. Y'all ready? 3, 2, hold on. Is it up all the way? 7. All right. 3, 2, 1. Oh, what happened? Let's try it again. 3, 2, 1. Oh, shut the door. You can't see through my, hold on. Probably see through here, okay. It's like a smoke grenade, a smoke bomb. See how long it's gonna take to finish this. We're done already? Okay, so I gotta wait 15 minutes. Man, I'm gonna put the camera down and pick y'all back up when 15 minutes over with, because that's gonna be so boring. All right, peace. Hey man, while waiting for these 15 minutes to be up, I noticed something, man. Out of all the spots on my car, the bird wanna choose this place to poop, bro. On the vent. Man, come on, bro. Really? Bro, that's so disgusting, man. So how I'm gonna get that from the inside? I'm gonna have to use a high-powered water hose or something. All right, y'all, these 15 minutes have been up. So let's get in the car and see how it smells. Oh yeah, it smells just like a new car, man. They wasn't lying about that. But I gotta turn the air off, boy. It's freezing in the car. Man, it cold, bro. Yeah, it works. Works like you say. A little mini smoke grenade, man. Go buy y'all one. It works. All right, y'all, man. That's gonna be the end of this video. If you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe, man. It helps a lot. So I'm about to head home and edit this video. And hopefully I'm gonna put it out tonight. If not tonight, it'll be out tomorrow. So yeah, y'all stay tuned, man. Peace.